A chiseled jawline is often associated with attractiveness and masculinity in men. While genetics play a significant role in determining the shape of your jawline, there are several steps you can take to enhance and define it further. In this script, we will explore various techniques, exercises, grooming tips, and lifestyle adjustments that can help you achieve a sharp jawline. 1. Understanding the anatomy of the jawline. 1. Importance of jawline. Discuss the significance of a well-defined jawline and how it enhances facial aesthetics. 2. Jawline structure. Explain the components of the jawline, including the jawbone, muscles, and subcutaneous fat. 2. Diet and nutrition. 1. Maintaining a healthy weight. Explain how excess body fat can hide the jawline and the importance of maintaining a healthy weight. 2. Balanced diet. Discuss the significance of a balanced diet rich in protein, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to promote muscle growth and reduce overall body fat. 3. Facial exercises. 1. Neck and jaw stretching. Describe exercises that target the neck and jaw muscles to strengthen and tone them. 2. Chin lifts. Explain how chin lifts help in reducing double chin and toning the jawline. 4. Tongue press. Explain how the tongue press exercise can help in toning the neck and jaw muscles. 4. Cardiovascular exercise and strength training. 1. Importance of cardiovascular exercise. Discuss how regular cardio workouts can help burn overall body fat, including fat around the jawline. 2. High-intensity interval training. Explain how HIIT can be effective in burning calories and promoting fat loss. 3. Strength training. Discuss the benefits of strength training exercises that target the face and neck muscles. 5. Skincare and grooming tips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Facial hair styling. Discuss the impact of facial hair on the appearance of the jawline and provide grooming tips for maintaining a well-groomed beard or stubble. 6. Posture and body language. 1, 2, 7. Professional treatments. 1. Dermatological treatments. Discuss non-surgical options such as Kybella injections, dermal fillers, and skin tightening procedures that can help enhance the jawline. 2. Surgical options. Briefly mention surgical procedures like jawline implants or genioplasty, which can be considered for more permanent changes. Conclusion. Achieving a sharp jawline requires a combination of various factors, including a healthy lifestyle, targeted exercises, proper grooming, and skincare. By following the techniques and tips outlined in this guide, you can work towards enhancing your jawline and achieving a more defined and attractive facial appearance. Remember, consistency and patience are key, and it's essential to consult with professionals when considering professional treatments or surgical options. It's important to note that these treatments should be approached with caution and discussed thoroughly with a qualified healthcare professional.